I am an earth science major, but I do love biology, and the course is based around volcanism, which I've had very little exposure to as a geology student, and it's for credit. We wanted to go to all the islands, all the volcanoes, go snorkeling and scuba diving. We visited research centers. We started seeing a lot of the exotic wildlife. There were numerous fish, stingrays, and there were also marine iguanas. The Galapagos marine iguanas are the only iguanas that go into the salt water only a couple minutes at a time, and it's fairly rare to see them in the water. We were swimming around this location and we saw a sea lion chasing a marine iguana around, biting at its tail, just playing with them. I had a very special moment with a sea lion where we were underwater and we just made eye contact right in front of each other and just stared at each other for, it seemed like minutes, but it was only probably 15 seconds. We also saw the white tiffer sharks. We went to a deeper location, and that's where we swam with sharks and loggerhead turtles. That was cool. I would love to do professionally is work with water resources, water control, water pollution, hydrology, and I would like to direct that to these third world countries and remote locations. Field work is very important. If companies know that you've been in the field and you've done work, then it improves your chances with any job. To me, studying abroad is an opportunity that you're never going to encounter again. To travel with my fellow students is the best way that I've ever traveled before because we share these common interests. Coming into college, I knew I wanted to study abroad. I just am culture hungry and wanted to see the whole world.